The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the backside of your body and work the abs. Here's what you're gonna do. You can either get a yoga block or a foam roller. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the foam roller or the yoga block between your knees. You want your knees touching and your elbows. You want your elbows touching like this. And you're gonna start on your back, just like so. You want your hands resting on your head because that's gonna prevent you from crunching. Basically, you're gonna try to get up to the start position. And so what I want you to do is you roll backwards, you're gonna breathe in, exhale, come back up, keeping everything connected until you can get up just like that. Now, if that's easy, you can simply make the block smaller and even go to no block. Or if it's harder, you can just make the block longer. So that way, the distance is less to cover. But that's basically the progression of this move. Keys, you want to inhale backwards, exhale, come up. Make sure you don't lose your pressure on the block. You want to keep your arms and your legs together, like so. As you go. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.